I'm Seshadri, and I run the team that architects latest state-of-the-art technology solutions for our customers' marketing and customer experience problems. So today I'm going to be talking about the increasing influence of artificial intelligence in solving a lot of customer experience problems that we are facing today. Over 50% of marketers have planned to adopt AI as part of some sort of their marketing activities in 2018 going forward. AI has the potential to be a source of disruption and hence competitive advantage to brands. There's a huge explosion in data. Customer journeys are becoming fragmented. There is a fragmentation of channels, devices that makes it very tough for marketers to figure out what's the type of experience to deliver to customers. At Adobe, we've been following this growth of AI over the last few months. And we have very clearly identified top 4 areas where we feel AI should be used by marketers. The number one area where we feel AI should definitely be focused on is data analytics. Only AI and its capabilities will be able to address a lot of the questions that we have of our data. The number 2 area where AI needs to be focused on is on personalization. Just imagine the retailer being able to reach out to all those millions of consumers and be able to personalize each and every single interaction at a truly 1:1 personalization. The third area where AI should be used to solve marketers' problems is around attribution. With algorithmic attribution, marketers will now have the ability to very clearly understand which part of the customer journey is being impacted by what set of messages and channels, etc. The fourth area in which artificial intelligence can play a big role is marketing spend optimization. AI can help in multiple ways there. One is come up with recommendations, spend recommendations in terms of which channels, which networks, etc. to advertise in. The other interesting aspect in which AI can play a critical role is identifying what is the right set of creative that needs to be showcased to a particular set of target users. If I were a chief digital officer or a chief marketing officer at the start of 2018, I would definitely do these 3 things very clearly. Number 1 would be to identify what are those customer experience pain points that exist in my organization and what is the limitation that's posed by a human or a current technology that inhibits me from scaling further. The second step in that process that I would do is initiate a program that will help solution the right set of AI capabilities that are required to address that customer experience problem. And third and final step would be to build a very strong roadmap for release of AI related features and functionality as part of my marketing activities. At Adobe, we are more than happy to engage with you, understand your challenges and help you in your quest for leveraging artificial intelligence as part of your customer experience transformation.